Hey everybody, this is Diane with Crafting with Fury. I am here with a project share for Kokorosastudio, and I will leave their link down below and all of the products that I'm using from them. And guys, don't forget, if you would like to place an order with them, use my coupon code, which is L19378, and I will also leave that link down below. You can save 25% off of your next order, and I would truly appreciate it. So guys, I got this die set, and it is called the Cute Square Boxes, and I had the best time putting them together. They are super cute. They would be perfect for Happy Mail. They would be perfect just to put a small little gift in, and you get these two dies here, and this is the outer box and this is the inner box. And let me show you what I created. This is the first one, and I actually did it two different ways. This is the first one, and it says, hey, and I actually used the 26 English letters die that I got from them. Super cute script. And you can see all the beautiful, the way that they're just fancy schmancy. Talking about cute on cards. But look how pretty they are. I love that script. And I used, and it says, hey. And I used my diamond dust and put some bling, some glossy accents. And and here's the sides. And I did the bottom also. But when you open the box up, you've got a box inside. And it actually has a little slit right here on either side of the box that you could put ribbon to kind of keep the box in. And you got to be real careful. You know, you really can't embellish or anything in the box because it won't shut up. It will not. Well, I guess that's right. It won't shut up. Oh, it won't close. That was rude. And see how big this box is? I mean, you can put, you know, anything that would fit in there, you know. Oh, here. Gift a die or anything. And so it's a good size little gift box. So this is my first example of it. And on this box, I actually used this adorable butterfly clock die. Super cute. And I had to do my vintage, and I put beautiful day on it. And here's the butterfly dies that you get with it. And then this is the clock piece, and then the hands. And on each hour, I just done some yellow bling, and I layered it up. Is that not adorable? Super cute. Now this one I did different. On this one, I glued the box on the bottom, and I did not use the ribbon. And see, it's just two separate ways that you can do it. These are super cute and just perfect for Happy Mail. Look at that. Are those not adorable? And what I thought I would do really quick is show you how you put these together. And so, and guys, I'm super excited. I finally got my glue. They have been sold out forever, ever. And I was finally able to, whoa, I'm trying to get my cord out of the way, and then I'm making more of a mess. There we go. Stay. Don't want to stay. There we go. All right, stop. All right. So what I did was, here is the piece, the inner box. And I just done it out of just cardstock, double-sided cardstock. And so this is what it's going to look like when you cut it out. This is the outer box. And this is what it looks like when you cut it out. Okay? And then what you want to do is you just want to, they've got the score lines all ready for you. And so what you want to do is just, you know, fold on all the score lines. There's these two score lines and then these two on the inner box. And then you're going to glue them together like this. So let's glue these babies together. There's that one. And we're going to put some glue on that one. All right. So what you want to do is just line them up, because the way these are going inside another box, they have to be lined up pretty straight or they won't fit. And just kind of make sure that that glue attaches and adheres. And let's do the next side. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Okay. And let's go ahead and attach these two sides, because this is going to be your inner box. And it is cute to have double-sided paper. That way you've got a design inside. So here is your inner box, and see right here, you can see where you would put ribbon through, like I did on this one. Like that. So see, it would stand like that. You could actually stand it like that. And then if you didn't put the ribbon, you just open like that. So there is those. So here's your little inner box. Let me see. When it's made, it is almost 2 3/4 by 2 3/4. So that's a good size box. And so here is your outer box. And what you're going to do is there is tabs on the outside here. You're going to burnish those, fold here on the corners. Then there's 2 here, here. There's your tabs. There. And then what you're going to do is these tabs here, you're going to glue them like this on either side. So let's put some glue here. We're going to adhere it. Just give the glue time to catch. And here is this tab. And this is a really quick project to do. Make sure that it adheres. Put a little bit too much there, didn't I, guys? And we got that. So see, there is one side of your box, and we're going to glue the other sides. Alrighty. Give it just a second to adhere. And here, super easy box to put together. Possibilities are endless. All right, so see, here's your outer box. And so you've got the choice of gluing the box like this. You can glue it. And it would close up like this. Or you can put the ribbon through here and just glue the ribbon and let it open like that. So I hope that makes sense, guys. And I would like to thank Kokorosa for this cooperation. This was super, super fun. And if you guys got any questions, just let me know. And I will leave all the links down below. And thank you for hanging with me. I truly appreciate it. May God bless each and every one of you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.